How to share your Skype profile link. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can share your Skype profile. So let us begin. First of all, simply open up your Skype. After you open up your Skype, you'll need to make sure that you're logged into your account. After you've done all of that, simply tap on your name on the top right, top left. And after you tap on your profile, you will see Skype profile under manage. Tap on Skype profile, and after you're on your Skype profile, you will see share profile option. Tap on it, and after you tap on it, there you will see different options which will enable you to share your Skype profile. First is you can copy the link to your clipboard. The other is you can scan or display your code. So you can simply show your code to your friends and they can scan it. Other is you can send as an SMS or through an email app. So first, let us just copy our link to our clipboard, and from here now you can go wherever you want and paste the link and your profile will get shared. And that's it guys, it's that simple. That is how you can share your Skype profile link. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye.